I have a new packing method that I want to share with you that has been working wonders for me. And I believe that it'll work wonders for you also. First thing you need to do is check the weather, and then you'll use these steps to plan your packing. Y'all know I love packing cubes, so we're going to start with the packing cubes because they just help keep everything organized and just together. I normally used to just roll my clothes and then put them in the packing cube. Now, fold them and put them in the packing cubes. When you fold them, you can stack them up and they squish and they have less wrinkles. You can kind of see how they look. Things on the a small shirt or tank top on the side and the other side. So you're actually getting more in your packing cube. We're going to pack from the bottom up. Our heaviest things go at the bottom and our lighter things to go at the top. It keeps your suitcase from tipping over and it's bottom heavy instead of top heavy. I'm Christy with Travel Adventures with James and Christy. We're going to start with the shoes. Now, I'll wear a pair and then I'll take one or two pair. You wear your heaviest shoes, of course, then you pack the other two. Your shoes do not have to be packed together. I know there are a lot of bags out there that you can put your shoes in, but you can put one shoe on one side of the packing cube, one in the middle, maybe one on the other side, or even one up under it if there's some space in between your packing cubes and the suitcase. Next, we're going to start with our pants. I wear my heaviest pair and I take two pairs and we're going to stack those up. Now on the tops, we're going to fold those three ways. You're going to fold it in halves and you're going to do 1, 2, 3 and do a 3-layer up. And it just makes it more room, organized, less wrinkles. And it's going to make everything kind of be in an organized pattern. So when you seeing that you wear a shirt, it's easier to move it to the back, especially if you're wearing things over and over. And also another tip is, if you are done wearing that shirt, if you turn it on the wrong side, you don't have to be trying to figure out, oh, have I worn this or am I still able to wear this? Because if it's turned wrong side out, you know you are done with that until you wash your clothes or to the end of your vacation. So what I normally do is 2 pair of pants, 2 pair of shoes, 2 shirts, and 3 to 5 t-shirts. Depends on where I'm going and what's going on. If it's summertime, I may not do 5 t-shirts. I may do 3 t-shirts, a dress, and a swimsuit. And usually when I have a swimsuit, I'll have a sarong to go with it. So that can make another outfit, especially if the sarong is cute. You can wear it with a shirt. Depends on the type, but you can get those that look fancy and you can wear them over and over. And in summertime, I normally don't take I'll take a rain jacket that's real thin that you can fold up real tight. But instead of taking a regular jacket, I will take my scarf, and it's a big scarf that I can use on the plane and while on vacation if I get a little cool in the morning or night. And I can also wear with the outfit, and it looks pretty. So that's another accessory that you can use. And you can dress up with the same outfit to make it look different with earrings, necklace, jewelry, a belt, a scarf would make the whole outfit look totally different. A hairpiece. And if you have any essential packing methods, let us know in the comments. We love to hear them. I take all that information. I incorporate it myself, and somebody else may be thinking, oh, I'll do something else also. So every little tip helps. Let us know in the comments. Now, after I've gotten my packing cubes in my suitcase, I've got my shoes in my suitcase. You might have some pouches that may have makeup, shampoo, any kind of thing, little things, jewelry. You can just put those around in those little open spaces. They make perfect size for you just to stuff them in and not take up much room instead of having a big device that's just too much. And I have these little bitty earring pouches, not just earring, just jewelry pouches, and you can just throw them in anywhere. Perfect. And also your makeup doesn't have to be in one big makeup case. You can divide it. I usually divide my makeup. I don't carry it as much as I use at home anyway. But you can have some makeup that you would keep in your carry-on bag. So if you need to put on a little lipstick, little chapstick, wipe your face on the airplane, that's perfect. And the rest of my makeup is in my suitcase. that I would use normally for every day. So you can break up your makeup and have more space. Let us know where you're going on your next vacation. We would love to know. Now you want to remember to keep your medicine in your carry-on bag. Sometimes you'll do carry-on luggage. Well, those bins sometimes get filled up really, really quick, and they have to check your luggage. So you always want to put your medicines in your carry-on bag, because you don't want that your medicines in your suitcase. Anything can happen. Suitcase could get lost, suitcase could get delayed, and if it's prescription medication, you may need that, and it's important. So always have that in your carry-on bag. Another thing you can use those empty spaces in your suitcase is for things like belts, etc., socks here and there, just to fill up those little spaces and you not have to put it in a container or something that will take up more space. You can also put socks and shoes and different things like that.